In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up a Walmart receipt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate, view, and download a copy of a past in-store purchase. Before we start, have a few details ready. The Walmart account you shop with, the store's location or zip code, the exact purchase date, the card type you used and its last 4 digits, and the exact total from your bank statement. Accuracy matters here because even small mismatches can prevent a successful lookup. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Walmart Receipt Lookup. In the results, choose the official Walmart site. Look for a link that clearly says Receipt Lookup and make sure the web address is on Walmart's official domain to avoid scams. Once you're on the Receipt Lookup page, select Sign In. If you're already signed in, you may skip this. Otherwise, enter the email address or mobile phone number associated with your Walmart account. Use the one you normally use for Walmart purchases so your information lines up correctly. Click Continue, and on the next screen, enter your account password. It's a good idea to do this on a secure connection and, if possible, use a trusted device or a password manager. Then select Sign In. You'll now see the receipt search form. Start by entering the store location. You can type a zip code or a city and state. If you're unsure which store you visited, check your bank statement for the city or use your map's history to confirm. Next, choose the purchase date. Select the exact date of the transaction. If you're not certain, review your statement for the posted date and adjust if needed. Choose the card type you used for the purchase, such as credit or debit, and enter the last 4 digits of that card. Make sure you pick the correct card if you carry more than one. Note that cash or some gift card purchases may not be retrievable with this method. Now enter the exact total amount from your bank statement, including dollars and cents. This must match precisely, including tax. Even a small difference can cause the search to fail. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, then select Lookup Receipt. If everything matches, you'll see your receipt. From there, you can view the itemized details, download a copy, or print it for your records. If the receipt doesn't appear, double-check the date, the store location, the card's last 4 digits, and the total amount. Small corrections usually resolve it. When you're done, sign out if you're on a shared device to keep your account secure.